understanding, looking up to someone. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, looking up to someone. It's a phrase filled with admiration and respect, and we're here to unpack its meaning for you. So, let's get started. Looking up to someone means to admire and respect that person, often because of their achievements, qualities, or status. It's a metaphorical expression suggesting that you see someone as being at a higher level, so much so that you have to look up to see them. This phrase is often used to describe role models or people we aspire to be like. To better understand the phrase, let's see it in action. I've always looked up to my older sister for her bravery and honesty. Many students look up to their teachers as sources of inspiration and guidance. These examples show the phrase used in sentences to express admiration for someone's character or accomplishments. When you want to express your admiration for someone, you can say, "I look up to my coach for always pushing me to do my best." Remember, this phrase is versatile and can be used in various tenses to fit the context of your conversation. In many cultures, looking up to elders and leaders is a significant part of learning and growing. It's a way to acknowledge the impact that someone has on your personal development and values. Thank you for joining us. Looking up to someone is all about admiration and respect, feelings that can inspire us to grow and improve. We hope you now have a better understanding of this phrase and can use it confidently in your conversations. See you in our next video.